on, guys? So today I'm heading over to Harry's house. We are finally getting a chance to lower his bike. Yeah. So yeah, his I guess the shortage link came in. So I guess after that gets installed, I guess the only thing to be really looking at is the kickstand, right? So Casey's already over there. I'm pretty sure they already have the bike up on the lift or up on the stands. So yeah, I just got back home, so we're gonna shoot over there and see what they got going on. So I'm not gonna bore you guys too much with the ride. So once we get up here, I'm probably just gonna continue it when we get to Harry's house. So all right, guys, I'll see you then. As you guys can see, we have arrived at Harry's house. Ooh, that sounds spicy.
Yeah, lefty loosey. Lefty loosey, brother?
Yeah. It's steamy in here, man.
Hey! Crack? Either we broke the bolt or we're loose.
Yeah.
Let's hope it's just loose.
Unfortunately, Harry suffers from SLS.
You can suck my dick.
He's got short leg syndrome, so we're trying to just putting a lowering link on his bike so that way his feet can actually touch the ground.
Is it coming out?
Seems like it.
Oh, we should get it loose. I can feel it.
Let's go. All right, so we got the first bolt out of the link. Second bolt is kind of hiding under the swing arm, but we were able to get the swing arm to come up under. Let me pull that towel down. There we go. You can see.
Like swimwear, baby. Yeah. All right, well, I'm ready whenever you are.
You can use the impact, or you can use the nut.
So here, swap out with this ratchet, and then give me the adapter that's on there.
All right, I'll hold this up, and then once Harry comes, I'll back off and.
You're gonna fucking beat the shit out of it with the big
go.
Gotcha.
So we're pulling out this bad girl. Got one side.
I'm gonna go on the lowest setting first.
All right, Casey, hold it up real quick. I'm gonna back out for Harry. All right, cool. There we go. Pull that out. I'll put this beautiful piece in.
Right.
Beautiful. So now I'll hold the spring up. Oh dang! You know what we should have did? Before and after. Should have sat you on the bike. You should have sat on the bike, took a picture, then lowered it, took another picture. People want to see this, Harry.
It's fucking hot.
You know how many guys and girls need a lowering link for their bike?
Alright. Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Huh?
I pulled out the.
Oh, you're right.
All right, so we're about to put the link back in. So you just have to utilize the old hardware from the old link, the spindles.
You gonna move this?
Just going between the on the inside of the bushings. So now we're just gonna kind of do it reverse. Oh. Damn it, I dropped the nut. Up there.
Yeah, I'll hold it from the bottom if you want.
Alright, now the camera should take pictures of my ass. There's something. I was just thinking about that.
Don't you think we should do everything finger tight and then
yeah.
cinch it down?
Well, this one no, because it's gonna be down there.
All right, ready?
Yep.
All right, move the link. Make sure you have, you can rotate it. Can you move it? Yeah. Beautiful.
Good. Setting, you got that drill on. Oh, look who it is.
On medium.
Just appears out of nowhere.
Yeah. on medium because I don't want to break the bolt.
This is Joey.
Hi.
This is Harry's little brother.
The hell was Amazon?
Let's see. Is that bag up there? What's the price on there? On that
I
bag?
said couldn't find anything. Somewhere wrong.
Damn it.
Pretty nuts.
Straight dead.
Alright.
I don't even see the hole.
Oh, I'm poking it. Oh. Where you at? Wiggle it.
Let's go.
It's trying. There we go.
You got it?
It's going.
You're pushing something out.
Whatever this chalk is.
Oh wait, hold on. Did it really just push both of those things out? Figure out where the hell the All right, try pulling it now.
Pulling it out or pushing it in?
Pull it out.
I think so. Oh, there it goes. Nice.
Okay, so now I need to grab that or push that in.
Yeah, that one. Cool.
You take that first bolt back out.
Harry's got all the toys. This is his Mustang. He's got the boosted Hondas. Yeah, this thing's cool. Dude, that front lip makes the car look so much better, man. Looks super aggressive.
Yeah, much better than the. So
Blink's almost in.
I don't like that
The
it went
bushing
through.
popped out?
Well, yeah, this is what goes inside that rides on the bearing. So why this came out?
Shouldn't it not even be able to
Well,
pull out?
Yeah, because you should be able to replace them. I'm guessing that bolt just
Maybe.
sliding through the inside, it hooked.
Maybe it hooked and then pushed the one that was in the frame out. So this is probably the one that goes in the frame.
Mess with it yourself.
All right, we got the bolt cleaned. All the spindles stayed in place now.
So that one,
What do we just have to tighten that bolt
Just
down?
gotta get the
we
nut.
gotta tighten that one, and then we got one more bolt to go.
Okay.
Alright.
Ready?
Yep.
Feels like we're in Ukraine.
Too soon.
Go ahead.
Going down.
Yeah, my side goes down.
It does, yeah. Yeah, Casey side's up. Oh, that's a good rhythm. You guys are right on. Pretty straight up, yeah.
Lined up perfectly.
Let's go. That is perfect.
Oh, it was? That's dope. Let's
It's
go.
almost like when we were doing it, dude. It's crazy.
Alright, so this goes.
Let me know if I need to break down just a hair. It looks like it was pretty.
Yeah, I look pretty.
Ooh! Like a
Let's
glove.
go.
Alright. Alright, so what size do we need
Alright.
for this one?
Got the link all in. Gonna get everything tightened down, put the bike down, see what it looks like,
16 over here.
and then we'll come back.
That's crazy.
Alright. Look at that. Feet on the ground. It's a miracle.
Yeah. Handle. Uncut.
So we're
Just look up
trying
triple
to figure out how
space
to
space suspension.
get an appointment to get the suspension tuned in, to get the front lowered to match the rear.
Oh, his address says it's in Briar Creek.
Yeah, so got all that stuff done. Let's go.
I'll go to his website, call him, email him, do something on there, and see if he's got time.
Let's see.
Honestly,
Yeah,
I
that
think
definitely
for
lowered
him,
it.
this would be an easy thing.
Call him tomorrow, man.
I had to send an email today. At least get it started and follow up tomorrow. Just because if we're gonna ride the VIR, you should have it squared away before we go.
Yeah.
The cool, you can touch the floor, but now your bike's all fucked up. Dumb feet.
What are those?
What are those?
And if there's somebody else you want to try, I say
Yeah,
go
we're
for
gonna
it. Triple
search
T's,
around,
the
figure
big
out who we
guy
can
locally
contact,
that I
and
know of that everybody
try to reach
that I
out to
know
someone.
swears by that surface, but it's not gonna just spontaneously fall.
Yeah.
You know.
So
All right, the link's in. Let's look at it. You might be able to see it on the camera, but it's actually, the back end's actually pretty freaking low.
Yeah, dude, but it's even worse when you sit on it.
Yeah, it is.
Auto sag is crazy right now.
so here, I'm gonna adjust the sag.
Let's see what it does.
Stepping that thing up a little bit. Even then, dude, I would see.
Yeah, we had to turn the lights off. Harry's garage runs off of solar power. We were using too much power.
All I gotta do is stretch it, then you'd be like everybody else in North Carolina.
Hell no. Those fucking kids are in the way.
Dude, I did not think it was gonna make that much.
That was a
difference.
huge difference. Holy crap. All right,
How the fuck?
so we're gonna help him. I'm gonna come back once we get the suspension adjusted. All right, so we got the lowering link in. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but the back end is definitely lower than the front. So obviously, you know, we knew that this was gonna happen. We obviously know that we're not gonna adjust the front. Obviously, you know, I'm sure there's plenty of YouTube videos that can teach you how to do the front. We think it'd just be better to get it professionally adjusted. So we're kind of looking around, see who can do it, reach out to some people, and yeah. So now he's cleaning his exhaust before we put it back on. I don't know.
Well,
Motor Baggett.
You know about that big.
Motor Baggett. I ain't gonna do that. Today's about the Harrys. Feel good?
little squirt.
Yeah.
Squirty, squirty.
All right, Harry's gonna clean this all up. We're gonna get back on the bike. It looks like you just bought it. That's all I needed was a nice wash, man. Besides the pipe, you can always polish that. I got that metal polish from Chemical Guys.
Well, the pipe I'm probably gonna
Ceramic coat.
ceramic coat.
Yeah, I figured. Oh yeah, that looks good. Put this back on. Jesus, man. All right, so that concludes our midget shortage lane for the FZ09. Pretty easy install. I was pretty surprised. I was thinking we were gonna have to take this shit apart, man.
I was just concerned, but he's like, yeah, man, we need 2 jacks.
Yeah, bring
I
2
was like,
jacks,
2
the
jacks
stands.
And the stands? Like, it sounds like a lot. But it worked perfectly.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh.
You got that? You have it
All right, well,
on the other side?
appreciate everybody stopping by to watch the video.
Watch my midget.
Like,
box.
subscribe, comment, subscribbles,
Subscribbles.
all the good stuff. Come back for another video.